Hey, my name is Jared, a trainer with Sunny Health and Fitness. Ever feel tight, sore, or stiff after a workout, or just a long day at your desk? Meet your brand new best friend, the foam roller. A foam roller is a simple tool with powerful benefits. It's a cylinder made of dense foam designed to help you perform self-myofascial release. In effect, giving your muscles a deep tissue massage without the spa bill. When we work out, our muscles experience microscopic damage and increase stress. After a workout, your body enters a recovery phase. Foam rolling promotes faster recovery by enhancing blood flow, reducing muscle tightness, and accelerating the healing of micro tears caused by exercise. This enhanced circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the muscles, which helps repair micro tears and flush out metabolic waste like lactic acid. Foam rolling has been shown to reduce the intensity and duration of DOMs by promoting their faster muscle recovery and reducing inflammation. By relaxing muscle fibers and tendons, foam rolling improves flexibility and joint mobility, which can prevent future injuries and enhance daily performance. These rollers come in a range of sizes from 12 inches to 36 inches and are very firm, making them ideal for deep tissue massage and trigger point therapy. They penetrate muscle layers more effectively than a soft foam roller, and these rollers have superior durability as they can hold their shape even after heavy use, making them perfect for stability and exercise and myofascial release. Despite their toughness, these rollers are surprisingly light, which makes them easy to carry to the gym or for travel. Another key feature is that they are water resistant and easy to clean. The closed cell structure resists moisture and bacteria, so you can wipe them down quickly after every use. Here's a quick breakdown of how foam roller size impacts your recovery and your mobility routine. Large foam rollers, 36 inches, they're best for full body rolling. Spine alignment, large muscle groups like your back, your quads, your hamstrings. Some key benefits include stability, making it ideal for beginners due to their wide surface area. Important to note is its usefulness for lying lengthwise to open the chest and improve posture. The medium foam rollers, 18 to 24 inches, are versatile because you can use them across upper and lower body. This size is best for intermediate users as it offers more precision without sacrificing comfort. Lastly, we have the small foam rollers, 12 inches or less. This size is best for targeting massage travel and hard to reach areas like calves, feet, and arms. Its compact size makes it an excellent tool for isolating knots and trigger points and for portability. Choose the foam roller that will cater best to your goals and your lifestyle. Personally, I like my large size for home use, while I keep my small one in my gym bag. And no matter which size you choose, remember, they're lightweight and they can stand upright, taking up minimal space in your home or your suitcase when traveling. We didn't want to leave you with size options alone, so we even made them in black, blue, and pink. In conclusion, our high-density foam rollers are designed for full-body muscle relief, improved mobility, and recovery. Sunny Health and Fitness delivers premium equipment with a commitment to quality. Backed by US-based support and certified trainers, we offer a truly unmatched, fit-for-everyone experience.